dove. The dove is a beautiful bird. It is light gray with short legs and a short beak. It is very friendly and a good companion. It eats fruits, berries, seeds, and grains. In the morning, it makes the very pleasant sound of cuckoo, which is cool and refreshing. It has a vast space where it keeps on moving freely. It is a graceful bird and keeps on chirping. But as it becomes famous, it moves on the shoulder too and affection. Overall, it is a lovely looking bird. In some cultures, they are symbols of love, purity, peace, and hope. Thank you.